Business valuation goes up when a company has strong and predictable profits, low reliance on one owner or one customer, steady growth, and clean, well-organized financial records that a buyer can trust and verify quickly. Think of a business like a lemonade stand that someone wants to buy from you. If the stand makes money every single day no matter who is running it, that stand is worth a lot more than one that only makes money when you personally stand there and sell it. Buyers pay more for businesses that can run smoothly without the owner being there for every little decision, because that means less risk for them. One thing most people do not know is that having several different customers instead of just one or two big ones can raise your value a lot, since buyers get nervous if losing one client could sink the whole business. Another hidden trick is that businesses with signed contracts or repeat subscriptions are worth more than businesses that make one-time sales, because future income feels more certain and predictable. Even something like training a second manager to run daily operations can raise your price, since it proves the business does not depend only on you. The goal is to make your business feel safe, steady, and easy for someone else to step into and keep running successfully. A lot of owners think revenue alone determines value, but buyers actually care much more about consistent profit and cash flow than total sales, so keep your expenses controlled and your books accurate all year long. Another common mistake is waiting until you want to sell before cleaning up your finances, when really you should keep clear, organized records every single year so a buyer can quickly see the business is trustworthy. People also forget that too much personal involvement can hurt value, so start delegating tasks and documenting your processes early, since a business that only works because of you is much harder to sell for a strong price. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.